Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. So all of you take your Bangladesh and Global Studies book. And our today's topic is broad question answer from chapter 10. So all of you take your book and go to chapter 10 and the page number is 78. So let's start our class. Now my dear students, look at the board. Number 1, what were the democratic victories we won in the War of Liberation? So dear students, we all know Pakistani rulers oppressed the people of Bengalis, and when the people of Bengali, that means when Awami League won the election of 1970, the people of Bangladesh won democracy through this election, but the Pakistani government did not want to give our rights. So what happened? The people of all classes take part in the liberation war in 1971 and we won our victory, and that means we achieved our democracy. So let's read the question answer. Democracy means rule of the people. To reach a decision on the basis of the majority of people's opinion and to respect that decision is the principle of democracy. So this is the principle of democracy, and in the election of 1970 the people elected Awami League. That means the majority of the people supported Awami League. That means the decision was taken by the majority of the opinions, but the Pakistani government did not support it, that means did not want to hand over the power, and we won democracy through the glorious liberation war. The liberation war was fought to free the country from the oppression of Pakistani rulers, and after various movements and struggles in the general election of 1970, people expressed their opinion. Awami League led by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman got landslide victory. When Pakistani government did not hand over the power, the mass people took part in the liberation war and snatched away victory. Thus the power of democracy won in the liberation war. So what did we win in the war of liberation? The power of democracy was won in the liberation war. So this is the main theme, and you can follow this example or you can make your own answer. Now number 2, how can democracy be exercised in the workplace? So my dear students, we all know that democracy should be practiced in every steps of our life. We can practice democracy at school, at home, the society, or at neighborhood, or in workplace. So if we practice democracy at workplace, what will happen? The employees will feel valued. They will be encouraged to do their work properly. That means the company will be benefited and the production will increase. So let's read the answer of question number 2. And the question is, how can democracy be exercised in the workplace? And the answer, as democracy can be exercised at home or at school, it can also be exercised in workplace. In the workplace, people should consult men and women at every level about issues that concerns them all. Then the employees will feel valued and encouraged to express their views. And what happened when they express their views? Also in this way, companies will know how to produce and provide goods that people want to buy. That means the company will be able to know about the demand of the people, which products they should produce. Now number 3, how might you need democracy in your neighborhood? So democracy should be practiced in our neighborhood also. And what happens when you practice democracy? Let's read. Democracy is needed in every sphere of life. It should be exercised in our neighborhood also. There might be people of different ages and different views in the neighborhood. So we should take the opinion of all of them in various tasks. We can solve problems effectively by the exercise of democracy. Now look, if we practice democracy in our neighborhood, what will happen? There will be peace and harmony among our neighbors, because the main theme of democracy is to respect the decision of the majority of people's opinion. That means when the decision is taken by democracy, on the basis of democracy, most of the people supported that decision. That means there will be peace, and they will not go against the decision. And we can also do various sorts of developmental works. Taking decisions according to the opinion of the majority is very significant. There will be an eye to build a helpful and happy society. So, my dear students, there are 3 broad questions we have discussed today, and question number 2 will be your homework. That means, how can democracy be exercised in the workplace? So you can follow this answer, that means follow this example, or you can make your own answer by yourself. So my dear students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic. And dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly, because your SBA, city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. So do your homework regularly, and you will submit all of your homework copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So keep practicing a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.